Hello everyone. In this fourth session, we will solve some long answer type questions. So first, see the question. First question: prove that a relation on the set n cross n defined by A, comma B related to C, comma D. This implies and implied by A plus D equal to B plus C for all two ordered pair belongs to n cross n is an equivalence relation. Second part of the same question, also find the equivalence class of these two elements. So n cross n. So member of this will be an ordered pair. So we will prove one by one. First, reflexivity. So for reflexivity, take any element, any arbitrary element in n cross n. So let A, B be any element in n cross n. Now we have to prove A, B is related to AB. If you observe this relation, first component plus second component, one side of equal side, then second component and first component of second order pair. So we have to prove this. That means what we have to prove? A first component and then second component. A plus B equals to B plus A. And A and B are natural. So this is your rough work, you can say. Rough work. So we have to prove this one. We know A plus A comma B belongs to n cross n. This implies A and B are member of natural number. So we can write A plus B is equal to B plus A, because commutativity of addition on natural number. So this is true. This implies we can write reverse from this A, B related to AB. So AB is related to AB for all AB. For all AB belongs to n cross n. Therefore, we can say it means every element of n cross n is related to itself. So we can say R in set n cross n is a reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Second part, symmetric. Symmetric. For symmetric, we take two elements in n cross n. So let AB and CD are any two elements in n cross n such that AB related to CD. This is given. Now we have to prove CD related to AB. Now once again you do some rough work. So we have to prove CD to prove CD related to AB. That is, we have to prove first and second. C plus B equal to then second plus first. D plus A. This we have to prove. But it is given AB is related to CD. Since AB is related to CD, this therefore A plus D, according to this relation, A plus D is equal to B plus C. But we have to prove this. So C plus B, we can write this C plus B is equal to D plus A. D plus A. This implies CD is related to AB. Therefore, R is symmetric for all AB CD belongs to N cross N. Next part is transitivity. For transitivity, we take three elements in N cross N. So let three elements A, B, CD, and EF are three elements in N cross N, such that A, B related to C, D and CD related to EF. Now we have to prove, what we have to prove? This AB must be related to EF. So this is again your rough work. We have to prove AB related to EF. For this, what we have to prove? First and second. First plus second equal to B plus E. Second plus first. This we have to prove. Since AB related to CD, this implies A plus D equal to B plus C, and CD related to EF. This implies C plus F equal to D plus E. So this is first and second. So since these two, AB is related to CD, so this condition will be verified. Now again CD is related to EF, so this condition once again. Adding first and second, if you add this first and second, C will cancel, D will cancel. Now result A plus F equal to B plus E. This we wanted to prove. So we got this result. That means we can write here AB is related to EF for all ABCD. For all ABCD, EF belongs to N cross N. Therefore, R is transitive. Hence, R being reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so R is an equivalence relation. On N cross N. So now first part of this question is over. Now second part, we have to find equivalence class of these two elements. So let us consider one by one. Now equivalence class of element 2 comma 3. So we represent this by this symbol. Now according to our definition, all elements of n cross n which are related to 2 comma 3. So let xy be any element belongs to n cross n such that xy is related to 2 comma 3. Now we have to find x and y. So xy belongs to n cross n such that according to relation first plus second. So x plus 3 equals to second plus first, y plus 2. This implies x, y, n cross n such that now here y equals to x plus 1. Now you can find the ordered pair, all ordered pair which satisfy this equation by putting x equal to any value from set of natural number, because x and y are member of natural number. So you put x equal to 1, y will be 2. So 1 and 2. And next if you put x equal to 2, then 2, 3, and then 3, 4, and so on. So this is your required equivalence class of this given element. Similarly, you can write equivalence class of 1, 3. 1, 3 is equal to xy such that now equivalence class of second element 1 comma 3 according to definition, let xy be any element belongs to m cross n such that xy is related to 1 comma 3. This is equal to xy belongs to n cross n such that x plus 3 equal to y plus 1. Now again simplify this xy belongs to n cross n such that y equal to x plus 2. Again you put a value of x, you will get the value of corresponding y. So equivalence class of 1, 3 is equal to 1, 3, then 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, and so on. Now your question is over. Now next question is similar type question. R is a relation on set n cross n. This relation is defined as follows. AB related to CD if and only if AD first and second, AD into second plus first. Similarly BC, B into C plus into A plus D. Here we have to check whether R is an equivalence relation on n cross n or not. Similar way we will prove one by one. First reflexivity. For reflexivity we take any one element in n cross n. So let AB be any element in n cross n. Now we have to prove here rough work. We have to prove AB must be related to AB. That is, we have to prove first and second AB into B plus A equal to A BA, BA into A plus B. So this is obviously it is true because both sides same value, B plus A, B plus A, AB, BA. So both are equal. So since A, B, B plus A equal to B, A and A plus B, this implies AB is related to AB for all AB belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive on N cross N. Next is symmetric. For symmetric, we take two elements in N cross N. So let AB and CD are any two elements in N cross N such that AB is related to CD. Since AB is related to CD, therefore, according to this relation, we can write first component into second component. So AD into and remaining component B plus C. Now BC and A plus D. This is given. Now what we have to prove? Here again rough work. CD must be related to AB. This we have to prove. For this we have to prove CB and D plus A equal to DA and C plus B. This we have to prove. So if you observe this, both are same, just a side has changed, so that you can arrange in that way. BC can be written as CB and AD can be written as DA, D plus A and rest DA, AD can be written as DA and BC can be written as C plus B. So this implies CD is related to AB. Here rough work is very important. So first you do some rough work and then accordingly you adjust here. Now third part, therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric on N cross N. Next, now for transitivity, we take three elements in N cross N. So let A, B, C, D and EF are any three elements in this such that first element is related to second element and second element is related to third element. Now we have to prove first element is related to third element. So since first element is related to second element, that means AB is related to CD. Therefore, we can write according to this AD into B plus C is equal to BC and A plus D. This can be written as, if you divide AD and BC left side and right side by AD. So BC 1 by C plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by A. This you take first. Again, second element is related to third. Since CD is related to EF, therefore CF and D plus E equal to DE and C plus F. Again, you divide left side by DE and right side by CF. You will get the result 1 by E plus 1 by D equal to 1 by F plus 1 by C. This is second. Now adding first and second. Adding first and second. What you will get? This term will cancel. 1 by AD, 1 by AD. Then 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C. So remaining result is here 1 by B plus 1 by E, and right hand side 1 by A plus 1 by F. Further, if we simplify this, B plus E, yeah, AF and B plus E equal to BE and F plus A. This we wanted to prove because this is your, if you try to understand in rough, we have to prove first component must be related to third component. Sorry, first element must be related to third element. So AF and then B plus E equal to BE and A plus F. This we have to prove. So I think both the result are same. So we can write here, therefore AB is related to EF for all AB, CD and EF belongs to N cross N. Therefore, you can say R is transitive on N cross N. At last you write down, since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, hence R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence. Relation. So these two questions I have solved, and these two are very important. Next 5 more questions I am giving you as an assignment, so you complete those questions. These are the very important questions. Thank you.